Hey, this is Dave Ferrara from Fortified Realty Group, and today we are at 1 Kyle Jacob in Westport, Mass. Beautiful, beautiful new house. Start off in the kitchen, nice wraparound bar over the sink, quartz counters, tile backsplash, high-end KitchenAid appliances, nice cabinet hardware, crown molding, everything soft closed drawers, soft closed doors. Very, very nice hardwoods in the kitchen, stainless steel hood. Right to the side here is the mudroom. Look at this Pinterest dream. 4 hooks with the built-in benches. Very, very nice. Nobody does this stuff. Here in the living room, electric fireplace built in. Here's the master. Great, great master. Vaulted ceiling. And here's the best part. Wait for it. Wait for it. Boom. Look at that. Barn door, master bath, 2 sinks, more quartz. Very nice. Waterfall faucets. Nice soaking tub there. Custom tile shower. All right. Glass doors are coming. Here's the toilet, nice and private with, guess what? Haha, another barn door. Very, very nice job by this builder. Look at this walk-in closet. Everything's custom built-in woodwork, crown moldings, nice shelves, another bench, shoe rack. Everything's very, very nice in this master. Here's the dining room, beautiful wainscoting. The second bedroom right here in the front could double up as an office. All right, half bath off the front hallway, nice sparkly quartz. Here's the laundry room. Third bedroom, good sized rooms, beautiful doors. Look at the woodwork and the molding. Here's the second full bath, nice size. And finally, the fourth bedroom. Very, very nice.